Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, welcome. My name is Ruth. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make the labels for my candles. It's super easy and beginner friendly. All you're going to need are a few things. For the printer, I'm using Epson XP 4100 printer. It is all-in-one inkjet print. For the labels, I'm using these directly from onlinelabels.com. You can also find them on Amazon. These are 4x2 standard white matte for laser and inkjet printer. When you buy them, they come with a special designer called Maestro Label Designer. They give you a code for you to use for 12 months so that you can create labels without a watermark. Like I said, this is super quick and easy, so let's get started. First, we're gonna go to Canva to create the actual label itself. Now, because I've been using them for a very long time, I already have my templates right here for me to edit for any other new candles that I make. But for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna create a brand new one just so you guys can see the process itself. Starting with a search, I will type in labels. There's wine labels that came up, coffee labels, labels 6 by 4 inches, label circles, and these are the ones that I created for my own business. But type that in and then hit search and you'll see the templates that they have. They have over 7,000 templates that you can use to create labels for whatever it is that you're looking for. And they already have the templates already ready for you. So if you want, you can basically click on one of these labels and customize the template yourself. This will take you to a new page where you'll be able to change the name of the brand, add your logo if you want, change anything on the label itself so that you can cater it to your own business. For instance, my business name is Serene Aromas, so let's type that in. Candles are organic, they're handmade. I don't make lavender, but let's say midnight vanilla, which is one of the scents that I do sell. They're soy wax candles. I make 10 ounce. Oopsies. I make 10 ounce, which is around 290 grams. They burn for 40 plus hours and they're natural. So now I basically just catered this to the candle scent itself. I added my business name and everything. I can go ahead and delete this right here and go to uploads and upload anything that I want. And in this case, it's gonna be my logo. I already have it saved on there, and what I'm gonna do is size it down and move it so that it fits into the stuff itself. So this is what it looks like. I have everything in there catered basically to my candle itself based on a template that they have on Canva. Now, I won't be printing this out specifically. I will be using one of my other labels to print out just because I don't want to waste ink or paper. I'll show you what my label looks like in a minute, but that's what I'll be printing out as opposed to this one right here that we just created. And next thing I would need to do is download this so that I can go to my other website and print the label out. One thing you do have to focus on though is the size of the label that you're creating, which is right here. It tells you it's 6 by 4 inches. So if you don't have a label that's 6 by 4 inches, this wouldn't be ideal for that. So what I recommend is you just go back to the home page, click on create a design, and then scroll down to where it says custom size right there. Then you change the sizes to what it is that you actually have. For instance, we're gonna change the units to inches, and then we're gonna type in 3 by 3 inches and then create a new design. And then you'll see that the new page has a square. Basically, that's 3 by 3 for you to create your new design. So now let's go to one of the labels that I already created for my candles. This case, apricot peach is the first one that came up. I already have it set up so that it could fit my candle size that I have. The lines right here are for me to cut along the edges so that it could fit to my candle. If I wanted to print this out, I would need to download the image, and for that I would just need to go to share, download, change from PNG to PDF print so that the image could look better when it's printed. And if you have multiple pages like me, because I have a lot of labels, you change from downloading all pages to downloading the current page that I'm on, which is page 1, and then done. And then press download. And it's downloaded. Next thing I need to do is take this download and transfer it to my other website for me to print out. Now that I am on the other website, I go to design and templates and click on blank. This is gonna bring up a bunch of different templates that they have, and all you're gonna have to do is find the one that is yours. And in this case, mine is right here, 4x2. And since I purchased directly through them, all I need to do is click on Maestro label design, so that I don't have to pay for the template itself. So I click on that, launch template, take me to a new page, click on that, and then this is the actual page that I'm going to have to design and download the image onto. So image, upload new images, browse files, and downloads. I will be able to find the image right here that I had, which is right here, apricot peach. Upload. Find it right here, click on it. It's gonna go to the label. Now I moved this around to fit basically into the template. I already designed this for it to fit a specific area, so I don't really have to worry about anything other than just printing it out. All I need to do is click on print labels and print now. I don't have a subscription with them anymore. My code has expired. So what I'm gonna need to do is continue printing with watermark. It's gonna have the watermark at the top. It doesn't really matter to me. I already have a bunch of labels already printed, but continue printing with watermark, download and print. Then you'll find it downloaded. I believe it's this one. And this is a download. So now I can print this and cut it out so that it can fit my candles. So let's do that. So this is what it looks like when it's printed. Like I said, I'm gonna have to cut the edges so that it could fit into my candles, and that's why I put those lines right here. The top part has the information about the trial version for the Maestro, because like I said, my code with them is no longer active. But for you, once you purchase, you're gonna have a year to use the code for your labels, so you don't have to worry about that. So I just pretty much cut these along the lines. This is something I can't really eyeball at all, honestly. I eyeball a lot of things, but this is not it. That's why I put the lines on the side. I want it to be as straight as possible. And now I pretty much have labels for my candles. You see that? You can just take it off and go straight into one of my apricot peach candles. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have a subscription, you'll have 10 of them. But since I don't, not a subscription, a code. Apologies. And this is the final product. Yours might look different, but this is it. What I recommend doing is finding a template that matches your aesthetics. So if you're looking for candle labels, you type in candle labels. If you're looking for labels for body oil, you type in body oil labels. If you're looking for round labels, you type in round labels, because they have all of those already in there as templates for you, and you can cater it to basically your own special needs. And you also have the same option with the online labels website, where you'll be able to shop for different sizes, different shapes for your labels, and they will come specifically for that size and that look that you're looking for. So if you want, you can choose by shape right here, right rectangle, circle, oval, continuous. You can find all types of shapes, and you can also choose by size. So if you want, you can pretty much decide the size that they're gonna show you. Just an example, 4x4. They have them right here for you. They have rolls as well if you're using a different type of printer. 4x4 square. They have 4x4 circles. They have all types for you. If you also want to add more to your designs, say flowers, little gems, or anything like that, they have them straight for you on there on Canva. Let me show you. I have this right here for my new candle scent that I created for the fall. And for that, I just went to Elements and looked up some of the graphics that they have. For this one, I used this right here. And edited it to fit what I needed, and you can do the same. What's an example of something? Say you need cinnamon, for instance, so you just go in Elements, type in cinnamon, and you click on the graphics that they have, and they'll show you a bunch of different ones that you can select from. They have ones for pro accounts, they have ones for regular accounts that you don't have to pay for. You just gotta look for them. Whatever the design is that you're looking for, I guarantee you Canva has it. Something else I recommend playing around with is the design templates that they have right here. Let's see, since it's Halloween, we'll type in Halloween, and then they'll have some designs for you based on the theme that you typed in that you can play around with to match whatever it is that you're looking for. Once again, Canva has everything you're looking for. That's pretty much it. I hope this video is very helpful for you. If you're trying to print anything out, this is very easy, very simple. All you have to do is go to online labels, find a template that works for you, order it, and then go to Canva and make the design. Super quick, super easy. Then download the template that you created and transfer it over to online labels and print it out. Nothing major. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and subscribe and like for more videos like this. Bye.